Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of me that up on the beat, and as you can see, up on the screen. Yeah, Ultra Weekend stands when the UK was a disaster, my people. Only battles was flung at Aidonia, and you know them lack off the sound pan Vanessa Bling and Aidonia, who did have to sing a cappella. Now the comment section waiting about that because the fans them is pissed, the patrons is pissed that them spend a whole heap of money and time spent on all of these things and not get to enjoy themselves. You know what I mean? And one bag of sentiment. So that's like can share the video from now and let's hear what these people is saying.
No, but guys, I have to come on here and say, Ultra Weekend, what was that, please? It was an absolute shit show. Like, the whole time we were there, the music's cutting in, cutting out, cutting in, cutting out. Then they're stopping it, saying that the promoters people are blocking up the tram line. They're blocking up the tram line, you know. A whole tram couldn't get past. So they stopped the music for the promoters people to go out and move their cars. Not only that, they then said that the artists can't get in. So they stopped the music again and said that the promoters people need to go round to the front. No one wants to move round to the front, you know. Nobody wants to move round to the front. They all want to come in at the back where the artists are. Joking. I went to see Aidonia. Do you think I've seen Aidonia? I've come home and still not seen Aidonia. Best believe I'm applying for a refund, because what kind of foolishness? And Vanessa Bling came out to perform finally at 9 o'clock. But why is she coming out at 9 when Aidonia needs to perform as well? So either way, it's like I would have got half an hour of Aidonia or less. So Vanessa Bling comes out. She's attempting to sing because the music was cutting in and out. That even she had to say she would do it a cappella for her fans. So that was going on. Then all of us, I don't even know what occurred, but all of us, Vanessa, I don't know if she dashed a mic, dashed a drink, or what happened, but I'm sorry, it was actually just a joke. This is why I just, you know, these promoters, I just feel like sometimes just leave the Jamaican events and stuff alone, because you've now brought Sandz over here, and Sandz in Jamaica is always good. I literally attended Sandz a couple of weeks ago, and now to go from that to come to this, it's a joke. It's actually, it's an absolute joke. I clearly didn't enjoy my day. I thought I was gonna have a good day and I didn't enjoy. So they need to take this on board. But when these promoters are keeping anything ever again, I'm not attending, because this same thing happened for Movado and I swore up and down I would not attend if these promoters were keeping something again. It's only because I didn't clock that it was them, you know. No.
You can't get me off your idiot. You're there with your nice clean man and a bitch who enough of herself. Ladies, let me tell you something for your second. Don't make a bitch make you left your man. If you have left the boy, left him because you don't want him. Rule number one, never make a boy left you. You left that boy. In my night plan, a lifetime stand. In fuck you. Mispretend to be my future guarantee. In fuck you. Mispretend to be my future guarantee.
People, this is the general there. Find a rhythm, the man. We are Jamaican, all Jamaican, we have a flag them in our ear. One night we have a decent in there. One night we have a decent. What's Aidonia? Yo, fans! Boys, you are out of the nice place, who the most are run! You know that! Woo! Don't go on like that! Who knows that? Who knows that? Yo, they want the ball to make God! Give me the phone gun! Who hear them?
Now, Vanessa Bling did, apologize to her fans. Well, she didn't apologize to her fans. She just said, she loved them. And, them in this to the end. You see what I say? Because, them try to sabotage home girl set. You feel me? There's a few other people that was on this ballot. You know, Elephant Man shelled on the place. You know, the people that was talking about Jada Kingdom and ting.
I say people, me now wait pan tomorrow if you contact the time is now. Jada Kingdom. Me say Jada Kingdom I walk with a piece of chair like head the people. Jada body big your fuck. Me attack her, me up close and personal to moms and moms smell good. Moms smell good. Me not tell like people. No man, Jada one chung so. Jada chung like man with fling cement bucket pan side. Chung like a wrestler. Me tell you say Jada thick like a cold porridge. I mean not exaggerate people. Me tell you say moms go out with herself on the stage. When I tell Jada sing and you Jada say, come and say that when Jada make Jada one thick so and chung so. No man, mama. Me here sing heavy, but me not see it for myself. Me I tell you say people me see it for myself. Mom smell good. Mom smell good. Jada, which perfume that? Me not tell you like me like it. You smell good. Jada, you look good in a person, girlie. Me have to give that to you. People, yes, me I come from Addington Park. Jada go on with herself. Jada look good. We have to give Jada that. Yeah, me have to go in light on the darkness. You can't tell you no. Because no, me not tell lie. I not no make up story. Because I not Nancy. Anyways, people, me go about my business. Wanna take care. Bye.
Yeah, Jada look nice though, you know. You know, some people are just not performers, you feel me? And we can't really chastise them because of that. But nevertheless, wow, it seems every year Sandz is in some type of mess. And you know, they really have to get their A game together. All of these festivals keep and really have to bring them A game together. Know that dancehall, it's mainstream, because you know Cartel is bringing it around the world, you know. But nevertheless, people, let's talk about Beenie Man a little bit, because he is blaming, you know, him belly a bus again on Camille's stew chicken foot. You know what I mean? Chicken stew foot gravy or whatever foolishness. Boy, oh boy. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know the PNP, JLP thing is happening, and you know these dancehall artists is picking, you know, the same side, even though they're picking, you know, opposing sides. Yeah. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next.
Me did decide to never ever talk about this baby mother thing and child support thing, but couple things I need to say. Me not come explain nothing to nobody. You never did it when me and her fuck. Me never ask if you approval. Me not think of your business. She hungry for your attention, so she dragging you in her business. That's fine. Me not go back and forth with her. Me not go talk about who hold himself accountable and who responsible. Me not business about none of that. Me not come explain it. You get me? Yeah, this social media shit played out and dragged to me. Me not care about your blog. Me not care about your comment section. I don't care about public perception of me anymore. You get what me I say? Me just I live and I do my shit. And when God come, I answer to God, not you. I me see where the public, John public feel like say anybody who is a public figure belong to uno. Uno fi tell them what to do and how to live and then fi come explain. Nigga, no, me nah do it.
Okay, people, put in the comment section if you think Lincoln freaked out was talking about Kingmixup, because the sender surely believes so. Because, you know, we posted this part with IG and, you know, with YouTube, you know, with his baby mother, you know, it's basically calling him off for being $40,000 US. You know, the arrears in child support. He hasn't seen his daughter since day one. You see, Master, and she's tired of showing him leniency. You know what I mean? I'm ready for, you know, take it to him, but he's, you know, hiding out in Jamaica. So we posted it, you know, because he's famous, and that's what we do, which is bringing the celebrity news. And we made a caption, you know, comparing him to, you know, Ivani baby daddy, who is in the arrears, like 5,000 US, given to this this date. And we said them what list, you know what I mean? Me never make fun of him, man. None of them things that you see me. So I don't know why I'm feelings and say that people in my comment section, I deal with them away. But I'm just giving them a quick update another day, another night at your side. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify when I drop the latest though. And even though you might have done that already, make sure it's still on, because YouTube have a habit of turning things off on you. You see, man? Yeah, bless.